How to change to a TradingView chart in Bitget Wallet. Hi everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. If you are using Bitget Wallet and wondering how to switch to a TradingView chart inside the Wallet app, you're in the right place. First things first, open the Bitget Wallet application on your smartphone and log into your account. Once you're logged in, go ahead and click on the Markets tab from the bottom of the screen. And once you're inside Markets tab, choose any crypto pair you want to view. After you're inside the chart page, go ahead and tap on the slider icon on the right corner, and this will open the chart settings. Under chart settings, go to chart mode and tap on TradingView, and you'll be able to change your chart to TradingView right away. Now you'll see a full TradingView interface with drawing tools, indicators, time frame options, etc. Feel free to customize it based on your trading style. So that's how you successfully switch to a TradingView chart inside the Bitget Wallet app. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.